Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Attack Shark software. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Attack Shark drivers. From the search results, click on the official Attack Shark website, usually the first link, to make sure you're downloading the correct and safe software. Now, once the website opens, scroll down the page and click on the mouse section. Here, you will see a list of available mouse models supported by Attack Shark. You can also use the search bar on the page to quickly find your specific mouse model. Next, carefully find and select the mouse model you are using. Click on the model name to open its dedicated download page, where the compatible software and drivers are listed. After that, look at the software download option and click on it. The file will start downloading, and you can track the progress from the download icon in the top right corner of Google Chrome. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open it. Now, the setup window will open. Click on Next, then click Next again to continue with the installation process. After that, click on Install and wait for a few seconds while the software installs on your system. When the installation is finished, click on Finish to close the setup window. Finally, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Attack Shark. Once you see the software, click on it to launch and start customizing your mouse settings, such as DPI, lighting, and button functions. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.